Good morning. Thank you, Pierre-Etienne. It's really a pleasure to be with you today and to welcome you at Pasteur Institute. It's really a fantastic opportunity for me to open up this meeting today because I have been appointed 2 months ago. And when Bernard Pécoul told me that this is, as Pierre-Etienne has just alluded to, the 10th anniversary, I really thought I'm lucky, and this is an excellent opportunity for me to really step into this program and to figure out how we can support this program in the next years. As we all know, DNDi is facing this extremely challenging but most important issue to interface and synergize many stakeholders and research agencies, academic centers, industry-driven research, very large international institutions, NGOs, a number of public health-focused institutions, and all of this in the context of economics and politics. And the key words are really poverty, solidarity, humanity, and the cooperation between North and South. And I'm very grateful to Philippe Koureski and Alice Dautry, the past president of Pasteur Institute, to really have been successful in setting up with the other partners this program, and then to have streamlined the support of Pasteur to DNDi. DNDi has been successful. In the past 10 years, 6 new treatments have been really designed, and this is very significant when you think, and most of us are aware of this, but it's important to remind everybody that from 2000 to 2011, among 336 new chemical entities, only 4 of them, so hardly 1%, were really targeting neglected disease. So this is a challenge, this is a success, but this is still a challenge for the future. I'm very grateful to all the founders of DNDi, which have been working with Pasteur, the Indian Council for Medical Research, the Fiocruz, the Kenya Medical Research Institute, the Malaysian Ministry of Health, Médecins Sans Frontières, and WHO. And in France, Pasteur has been and will collaborate with, in particular, I would say, with Sanofi, with Médecins Sans Frontières, but also has received the support of the Ministry for Foreign Affairs, and this is very important for us. Also for the French research agencies, INSERM and CNRS, many of our scientists working at Pasteur are, in fact, paid and supported by INSERM and CNRS, and also the French Agency for Development. So again, the reason why I emphasize this point is that we always have to interface and synergize the efforts of many very different stakeholders. And this is an asset. This is a new model for research in a context of global public health. And this concept is key for the success of these programs. So Pasteur Institute has been very significantly involved in DNDi at several levels. Our task is really to create new concepts, to really create basic research. And in the future, we are facing very important challenges with the retirement of many scientists at Pasteur. About 20 units will close in the next 3 years. Now we are setting up new packages for recruitment of scientists and for promoting internal scientists, And clearly, both for the so-called G5 groups and for the next research unit, the topic we are dealing with today, the neglected disease, will be supported. That means that we will recruit scientists in this field. Also, we have individual scientists who are already instrumental in DNDi. Muriel Vray is a member of the scientific committee, and Pierre-Étienne Bost has mentioned this, has been working at Pasteur in the past. We also have the international network of Pasteur Institute, which is a major asset and which must be, I would say, reinforced and much more linked to the activities of this campus and to the overall activities of research institutions such as DNDi. And I don't want to take too long, but you will have a presentation on leishmaniose, which absolutely illustrates how it is the combination of basic research on this campus and research performed, some of it also basic, by the way, performed in the Pasteur Institutes of the network, which lead to a consortium with very significant output regarding this disease. Also, we provide a clinical research platform which can interface with the other institutions, including, for example, EDCTP or other organizations. And finally, we really want to reinforce public health at Pasteur, and we will create from next year a research center for global health research and education, which will merge the efforts of our research units on the campus and, again, this international network. So I just want to conclude by telling that we are aware that DNDi has, and we will discuss this in the board tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, has to face challenges, to contemplate how to work in the future, to build on the achievements. Pasteur Institute has been committed in all these years to support this initiative, and we will be working with you with this aim, and I will really support these different actions. Thank you very much.
Merci, professeur Bréchot, de nous avoir rappelé le rôle essentiel de l'Institut Pasteur dans la naissance et le fonctionnement de DNDi.